Hello, in this video I want to show you how to uninstall apps on a Dell laptop. To do this, first we'll need to click on the Start, navigate to the Settings, enter Apps, Installed Apps, then wait till the entire page is refreshed. Now we can scroll down and find whichever app we like. We can also search for it right here with the text. But in this case, I'm just gonna scroll down and choose a random thing to delete. And I think I'm going with the news if it's available. Yep, we can uninstall it. So click on the three dots next to the app you want to uninstall, uninstall, uninstall again, and the app should be removed from your PC or laptop actually. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.